Igbo names are unique due to the fact that they hold these deep meanings, most especially the ancient names, that's the old names. Personally, I adore them. They are all beautiful, okay? Good. So in today's video, we are going to talk about these traditional ancient Igbo names, particularly the male names, okay? We are going to look at just a few, okay? Just the common few, or let's say the popular few, okay? Good. But before we delve into what we have for today, in the Bindalo non Afambungozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State to be precise, and you are all welcome. If today is your first time here, you're welcome. I appreciate. Thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always returning. I love you all. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Okay? Yes, thank you. This topic is going to be divided into 4 series, okay? Meaning we are going to have 4 videos on this. The ancient and modern names, okay? Males and females. So we are going to have it in 4 videos. But today we are going to start with the male ancient Igbo names, okay? Yes. Stay with me, let's have fun together. The first name on our list today is Dike. Dike, a warrior. Dike, a warrior. Number 2, Achebe. Achebe, the one protected by the goddess. The one protected by the goddess, Achebe. Okay? Good. The third on our list today is Odogu. Odogu, a great warrior. A great warrior. The fourth one is Onochie. Onochie, a replacement of his father, okay? A replacement of his father. He who has replaced his father. The fifth one is Ikenna. Ikenna, the strength of his father. The strength of his father. The next one is Obiora, the heart of the people, or the heart of the masses, okay? The heart of the people, Obiora. Obinna, the heart of his father. The heart of the father. That is the heart of his father, okay? Obinna. The next one is Onyemoechi. Onyemaechi or Amechi. Onyemaechi simply means who knows tomorrow. Onyemaechi, who knows tomorrow. For short is Amechi. Amechi, the same meaning. The next one is Onyemobi. Onyemobi, who knows the heart of man. Onyemobi, who knows the heart of man. Of course, no one. Onyemaobi, who knows the heart of man. For short, Amobi. Amobi, no one knows the heart of man. Okay? Some are called Amobi, and some prefer Onyemobi, who knows the heart of man. Amobi, no one knows the heart of man. Okay? Good. The next one is Okudili. I love this name, Okudili. Okudili Chukwu. Judgment is of the Lord. Judgment is of the Lord. Okudili Chukwu. The next one is Ejiofo. Ejiofo. The bearer of this name is an embodiment of justice and fairness. Okay? Justice and fairness. Eji means to hold. To hold. Then Ofo means to stand at the place of truth. Okay? Ejiofo. Okay? Good. The next one is Osondo, the race of life. The race of life. Then the next one is Ikemefuna. Ikemefuna may I not lose my strength. Ikem for short, okay? Ikem efuna, may I never lose my strength. We also have afam efuna, may I not lose my name. May I not lose my name. For short, afam. Afam efuna, may I not lose my name. For short, afam, okay? Good. This one is Ifatu, an exemplary child. Ifatu, an exemplary child, okay? The next one is Obum Neme. Obum Neme. For short, Obum. Obum Neme. Meaning, is it of my own doing? Is it of my own doing? Obum Neme. Next on our list is Ijawele. I love this name, like Ijawele, safe journey. Have a safe journey in life. Ijawele. For short, Awele. Awele. Okay? Good. On our list is Ndubishi. Life is paramount. Life always should come first. Okay? Good. Now the next one is Udoka. Peace is greater. Udoka. Peace is greater. Okay? Good. We also have Ndokaku. Ndokaku. For short, Ndoka. Simply means life is worth more than riches. Life is worth more than riches. Ndokaku. The next one is Madu Akonam. Madu Akonam. May I never run short of a companion. People. That is, people should always be around me. Okay? For short, Madu Ako or Akonam. Okay? Madu Ako or Akonam. May I not run out of companion or company or people. Okay? Next one is Ozemena. Ozoemena. Ozemena. Ozemena, okay? It simply translates, it should not repeat itself, particularly a misfortune. Okay, let me give you a scenario for you to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, in a family where there have been series of misfortunes, yes, particularly the death of their newly born. Okay, now along the line a new baby comes and the parents will go like, the past misfortunes should not repeat itself. Ozemena. That's how the baby gets that name. Ozemena. Ozemena. That misfortune should not repeat itself. Okay? I did a video on the 4 market days in Igbo land. Yes. When we talked about the Eke, Nkwo, Afo, and Oye, the 4 market days. Now, these names I'm about to mention has to do with these market days. Babies born on these days are given these names, okay? For those born on Eke market day, you hear Nweke, Nweke. For a boy, okay? Nweke, Nweke. Then the Oye market day, we have Nwoye or Nwokoye, Nwokoye or Nwoye. Then for the Afo day, we have Nwafo, Nwafo, Nwafo. Then Nkwo, we have Nwankwo, Nwankwo or Okonkwo, Okonkwo, Okonkwo. Yes, I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can get that video. Very interesting video. Yes, it helps you to know more about our people. Yeah, very good. So we have Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo. Okay, Nweke, Nwoye or Nwokoye, Nwafo, Nwankwo or Okonkwo. Okay, very good. Then the next on our list is Ejike. Ejike. The full meaning is Ejike Mowa or Ejike Mowa. This name serves two purposes. One is a question and the other one is just a statement. You can call it an answer, but just a statement. The other one is a question. The question goes like this. Ejike Emowa. Ejike Emowa. Meaning, do we do the things of the world with our might or strength? Ejike Emowa. Is it by strength or our might? Then the other one, which is a statement, is Ejike Emowa. It is not by might or power that the things of this world is done. Okay? It is not by strength or by power that we get the things of this life. Ejike Emowa. For short, we have Ejike, and you want to make it shorter, we have Ejike or Ejike. Do you understand? Yes. The next on our list is Ibezim Akonam. Ibezim Akonam or Ibezim Ako. Ibezim Ako or Ibezim Akonam simply translates, may I not lack a counselor, as in someone to advise me when I need one. Because, hey, we don't know everything. So may I not lack a counselor in order not to make mistakes. We all need one. And for short, Ibezim or Akonam. Ibezim or Akonam. Okay? Good. Or even Ibe. The next on our list is Eze, meaning king. A king, Eze. Okay? It can be used alone and sometimes it can be used as a prefix. For example, Ezudo, king of peace. Ezan, the king of the land. Okay? So it's either used alone or as a prefix. Okay? Good. These are all traditional names I am so in love with. I love all these names because it gives you something deep about life. The next on our list is Mwora. Mwora, the child of everybody. Everyone's child. Mwora, the child of the people. The next one is Ogoebunim. Ogoebunim, my kindness should not kill me. Ogoebunim, my kindness should not kill me. Okay? The next on our list is Azubike. The past is my strength. You know, your past experiences strengthens you, right? So Azubike, my past is my strength. The next one is Igwe Bike. There is strength in numbers. There is strength in numbers. In other words, numbers, population. Okay? That is the importance of majority. That's what it is. The next one is Jidofo. Jidofo. You are justified. Jidofo. You are justified. Okay? And the last but not the least today is Obiajulu. Obiajulu. My heart is at peace. My heart is at peace. Obiajulu. Kai. Chai. Obiajulu. My heart is at peace. All these names are fascinating. Good. These are just a few among many others. There are lots and lots and lots and lots of them. Most of these names I mentioned here are now used much more as surnames than first name. Okay? Than first names. But I'm telling you, everything is going back like it used to be, and I will not be left out. Definitely, I'm going to pick from these names if I become a mother in the future. Okay? Come to the end of today's video. I'm glad you had fun. I did have lots of fun. If there are other names you want me to translate their meanings, kindly drop them in the comment section. I will be glad to do that, okay? Watch out for the 3 subsequent videos that have to do with this topic, okay? In the next video, I'm going to give the list of Asians' traditional female Igbo names, okay? Good. And don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. And hey, don't forget also to share my videos on your social media handles, okay? Let's get everyone speaking the Igbo language. Bye.